स्टूडेंट्स, हमने पिछले क्लास में आपको ज्योग्राफी के इंडिया साइज और लोकेशन चैप्टर को पढ़ा था। अब हम पढ़ रहे हैं फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया, क्लास 9th। यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न अर्लियर दैट द इंडिया इज़ अ वास्ट कंट्री विद अ वैरायटी ऑफ लैंड फॉर्म। जैसे कि हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है पहले कि जो इंडिया है वो वैरायटी ऑफ लैंड फॉर्म है उसके पास। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्लेन्स डू यू लिव? इफ़ यू लिव इन द प्लेन्स यू आर फैमिलियर विद द vast stretches of the plain land. In contrast, you live in the hilly region. The rough terrain with the mountain and the valley are the common feature. In fact, our country has a partial and all major physical features of the earth, that is the mountain, plain, desert, plateau and iceland. As you know that we live in a hilly area or we live in a plain, that we are familiar with its pattern, how to live in a plain or how to live in a hilly region. Same with the desert, people usually used to live in a desert areas and a plateau. Same with the Iceland. The land of India displayed great physical variation. Geographical, the peninsular plateau constitute one of the ancient landmarks on the earth's surface. It was supposed to be one of the most stable land block. The Himalaya and the northern plain are the most recent landform. From or the viewpoint of the geography, Himalaya mountain form an unstable zone. The whole mountain system of Himalaya represent a very youthful topography with the high peaks, deep valley and the fast flowing river. The northern plain are formed of alluvial deposit and the peninsular plateau is composed of igneous and the metamorphic rocks and gentle rising hills and the wide valleys. Now, major physiographic division. India also divide the major physiographic division, that is the India. Physical features of the India can be grouped under the following physiographic division. These are that the Himalayan mountain, northern plains, peninsular plateau, India desert, coastal plain and Iceland too. The Himalayan mountain, first we discussed about the Himalayan mountain. The Himalayan geographically young and the structural folded mountain stretch over the northern border of the India. It is from the northern border. Okay, these mountain range run in the west east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra. The Himalaya represent the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barrier of the world. They from an arc which cover a distance from about 2400 kilometer. The wide varies from the 400 kilometer in the Kashmir and 150 kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. The altitude variation and the greater in the eastern half than those of the western half. The Himalaya consists the three pellar range. It is the longitudinal extent. The number of valley lies between these ranges of the northernmost range is known as the greater or the inner Himalaya or the Himdari. It is the most continuous range considering the loftiest peaks with the average height of 6000 meter. It contains all prominent Himalaya peaks. Thank you.